guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how you can get MTN cheaper bundle. Okay, how you can buy cheaper bundle on MTN. So without wasting much time, let's look at something here. If you are to buy the normal MTN data package, okay, you see that 3 cities gives you 400 megabytes. 3 cities gives you 400 megabytes. Okay, so when you look at the option for 3 cities gives you 400 megabytes. All right, let's look at something here. Let's use this code. This is the code that you are going to use to get the cheaper bundle. Okay, *141. Let's look at something here. Okay, let's go to the option 99. Okay, so here we have option 1, option 2, then we have 99. That is more, so choose that one. All right, so if you come here, you see that we have the option 4 gives you 1 gig 3-day pack, 1 gig 3 days pack at 5 cities. It means that when you buy this package, you are buying it at 5 cities, which will last for 3 days, which is 1 gig, which is very economical. So please, instead for you to buy the 3 cities and get the normal 3 cities and get 400 megabytes, why don't you buy this one 5 cities and get 1 gig? Even if you are to buy 3 cities twice, you are going to get 800 megabytes, not up to 1 gig, which will cost you 6 cities. So if you buy this, you are going to enjoy more. Okay, let's look at the option 5. 1 gig 1 day pack at 2 cities 50 pesos. Wow, this is really amazing. So those of you who have been using data bundle frequently, please, I think this one will help. If you buy 1 gig, you are going to use it for 24 hours. That is a day, and you are paying, which is 2 cities 50 pesos. Okay, you are paying 2 cities 50 pesos, which is very cheap. Okay, so guys, I will recommend these data packages for everyone. That instead for you to be buying 3 cities using the *138, I recommend that you use the *141 to buy this data package, because it's very economical. 1 gig for 24 hours for 2 cities 50 pesos. You see that it is very cheap. Okay, it is very cheap. MTN